Hi guys, now for some reason if you want to delete your Calley Autodialer account, you can do that from two different locations. One is from the web panel. You can log into your web panel with your login credentials, and once you are in there, you can look for the profile section, which is on the extreme top right bar. Go to profile and you can see a section which says delete your account. Once you delete your account, all the data associated with it, whether it is leads, whether it is calls made, whether it is your basic account details, all of that will be deleted from the Calley ecosystem. The second way to do it is from your mobile app. So you can log into your mobile app with the same username and password as that of your web account. Go to the left drawer. There is a section to delete an account. On this section, when you click on this red button, you will be able to delete all the data associated with your account. It will work the same way the deletion of account works in the web panel. So there are two different ways by which you will be able to delete all the data associated with your Calley account. Thank you.